Hello, welcome to Smarts Math with HARSHANA YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about 2016 December O-Level Mathematics Paper 1 Part A. Number 1 question. Duty of 6% has to be paid when an item worth 800 rupees imported. Find the duty. Now here duty should be equal 6% of 800 rupees. Then you can get 800 into 6%. The percentage mark you can write like this. Then you can see how 2 zeros to 2 zeros will cancel out. Then 8 times 6, that is rupees unit 48. That is the answer for first question. Second question. In the given Venn diagram, shade the region that represent the subset A and B cross. Where it cross? This is the region it cross. This is the region the two A and B cross, where A and B common region. Here we go. You want to shade this. That's all. A bus which moves at a uniform speed travel a distance of 48 meters in 3 seconds. Find the speed of the bus in meters per second. 3 seconds, 48 meters. That means 1 second, 16 meters. Therefore, meters per second, 16 is the answer. We know that, but we know speed is equal distance divided by the time. Here distance was 48 meters. Time is 3 seconds. You divide 48 by 316. The unit is meters per second. They are asking the meters per second answer. 16 is the answer. Represent in index form. Log 2 to the base 16 is equal 4. Now equal 4 mean one side you have the 4. That means 4 will be the power. The here base is 2. Therefore the base should be same. Therefore 2 to the power 4 is equal 16. That's how you convert this one into the log 2 to the power 16 is equal 4. This is the answer for fourth question. Fifth question. Solve x minus 1 times x minus 2 is equal 0. This is an equation where this one and this one multiple is 0. Therefore, we will take x minus 1 is equal 0 or x minus 2 is equal 0. Now you consider this one as a normal equation. Then you can do. Now see in here x minus 1 is 0. You take this minus 1 to this side. Then x will be here positive 1. As well as minus 2 to here, x is equal to positive 2. These are the two answers for this equation. Sixth question. Write all positive integers that satisfy the inequality 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 5. Forget about this inequality mark. Think about the equal mark and do this one as a equation where 2x plus 1 think about this one as a equal mark and you do where 2x is 5, this plus 1 you take to here, it will be minus 1, 2x, 4, where you want x, you divide both sides by 2, then 2 will cancel out, you will have the answer 2. Now here they are asking about the positive integers. If you mark this one on a number line where the positive 2 is here, x is less than that. Suppose 0 here, you want to mark like this. In between these two integers, you have 0, 1, 2 equal. You have 2. Positive integers, you will have 1 and 2. That is the answer for 6th question. Question number 7. Simplify 1 over x plus 1 over 2x. Now here the denominator is not same. First thing you want to do is to convert these two denominators to same. Where 1 over x, you can convert the denominator to 2x by multiplying 2. Therefore, the numerator also should be multiplied by 2. Then you will have 2 divided by 2x. Where you can represent this one as this one. The 2x will be the common denominator. Then you can write like this. For this one, I am replacing this one. 2 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by 2x. Now, the denominators are same. Therefore, we can use that one as the common denominator where you can add 2 and 1. The answer will be 3. This is the answer for the 7th question. Question number 8. Find the least common multiple of two algebraic expression x, y and x square. Right. First you want to find x, y and x squares factors. Then you want to divide by 1 by 1. Where x, y, comma, x square you divided by 1 factor by 1. First you have x, therefore I will divide him by x. You divide this one, x will cancel out, y will have the x square divided by x, you will have x. Again you have x term, again you are dividing this one by x. Where y you cannot divide, you write down as same. The x, if you divide by x, you will have 1. Now you only have y, you divided by y. The same thing divided by same thing, you will have 1. This one coming as 1. If you come to this stage, you stop. Then you take as LCM, where the multiple of these things where is equal x times y. Where this one is x square y. The LCM will be x square y. That is the answer for 8th question. Question number 9. It takes 6 hours to harvest a paddy field with a machine. How many hours it will take harvest this paddy field with 3 machines? That means with one machine it will take 6 hours. With 2 machines you will get the half of this hours, where 3 hours. With 3 machines you will get 1/3 of this thing, 2 hours. These are the machines will be inversely proportional to the time. Therefore, the answer will be 2 hours. 10th question. Write the probability of getting a card with an odd number written on it when a card is drawn randomly from a box which contain 3 identical cards with the numbers from 1 to 3 written on them. That means there are 3 identical cards were the same size, same. 1, 2, 3 cards were there in the box, right? We put hand onto it, then we choose one from randomly, right? Total items is 3, where the odd items, that means odd cards, you will have 1 and 3, 2. The probability will be odd items numbers divided by the total item numbers, where the odd you have 2, the total you have 3, then probability will be 2 divided by 3. That is the answer for the 10th question. 11th question. Using the information given in the table, find the first approximation of square root 90. First, we want to know where should be this 90. It's here. And it is very close to this one when you comparing this one and this one. Therefore, 90 is very close to 90.25. Both sides, I will take the square root. Now, this one square root was given as 9.5. Therefore, this one square root is 9.5. Where for the first approximation of square root of 90 will be 9.5. That is the answer for the 11th question. 12th question. The two triangles ABC and PQR in the figure are congruent. Find the value of XY and Z using the given information. Now these two triangles are congruent. Then here the one line. What is in front of the angle, interior angle of one line? Here as well as here. Those two are equal. Therefore, Y is equal to 60 degrees. Here we have two lines. Here also we have two lines. What we have in front here X, here 61. Therefore X will be 61. Then other one we have Z, other angle we are having 59. Therefore this is the answer X, Y and Z for 12th question. 13th question. The radius of a solid cylinder is 7 cm and its height 2 cm. Radius 7 cm. R is 7 cm. Height 2 cm. H is 2 cm. Taking 22 divided by 7 for the value of find the area of its curved surface. Now the area of the curved surface of a cylinder of radius R and height H is given as 25RH. Now we want to find the curved surface area. It is equal to 25RH given. 2 is 2, 5, 1 give 22 divided by 7, R is 7, H is 2. Now this 7 to this 7 will cancel out. This one 22 times 2, 44, 44 times 2, 88. This is area. Height and radius is measured with centimeter. Therefore, unit will be square centimeters. This is the answer for 13th question. 14th question. Find the value of X using the information given in the figure. Right. Here we go. ABC is an isosceles triangle where this side length and this side length is equal. Therefore, whatever the interior angles in front of these two sides should be equal. This one x, this should be x. The other thing is this CDEF is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now this angle x will be the exterior angle of that one. Therefore we know this 65 and here this angle are two opposite angle of interior angles of cyclic quadrilateral, where these two addition will be 180 as well as this angle will be equal to this angle, because exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore we can say x is 65, y exterior angle of CDEF cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore 14th question, x is 65. 15th question, given that cos x is equal 0.8, find the length of PQ using the information in the figure. Now this PQR is a right angle triangle, therefore we can write cos x, whatever the angle here, is equal to this divided by the hypotenuse, right? I can say cos x is equal PQ divided by PR, where that one is 3 centimeter. Therefore with cross multiplication I can write PQ is equal 3 centimeters times cos x. 3 centimeter times, now the data was given cos x is equal to 0.8. Therefore we can replace this one for the cos x, where it will be 0.8. Right, unit will be centimeters. If you multiply this one by 0.8, you will have 2.4. That is the answer for the 15th question. 16th question, write the values that are obtained from M and C when the equation of the straight line in the figure is expressed in the form of y is equal mx plus c. Right, this is a straight line. This point coordinate will be 3, 2. This point coordinate will be 0, 1. And here it's cut y. Therefore c is plus 1. Then we want to find m, where m is delta y, the difference of y-axis, divided by delta x, the difference of the x-axis. M is equal, if you subtract these y values, this one and this one, 2 minus 1, x values 3 and 0, 3 minus 0, here you have 2 minus 1, 1, 3. Then m is 1/3, c is positive 1. Therefore y is equal mx plus c. Then y is equal, as m we have 1/3, 1/3 times x, plus I have plus 1, I can put as 1. This is the answer for the 16th question. 17th question, in the table place the mark correct in the box in front of the true statement, if any, and the mark x in the box in front of the false statement, if any. Right, first one, in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. Yes, we know that, that is correct. Therefore we put correct mark. The second one, in the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Yes, that one also correct. We know that. The area of the parallelogram is bisect by each diagonal. Yes, that one also correct. Therefore, all three are correct. That is the answer for 17th question. Right, 18th question. Using the information given in the figure, find the magnitude of CDA. CDA, this angle. This is a circle and this is a side. Then this will be a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Then these are two opposite interior angle of it. Therefore, these two addition is 180. Then I can write down 80 plus CDA angle is equal 180. Now we want CDA. If you take this one to this side, it will be minus 180 minus 80. Then CDA angle will be 100 degrees. That is the answer for 18th question. Right, 19th question. The radius of the circle with center O in the figure is 10 centimeters. Find the length of the chord AB using the given information. Right, if I take whatever the intersect of here as X, as well as if the radius is 10, if I connect this one, this will be 10 and this a triangle, where this triangle is a special one, right angle triangle, where I can use the Pythagoras law. Now hypotenuse is 10, this one is 8, AX the thing I want to find out. With the Pythagoras law I can write 10 square is equal 8 square plus AX square. Right, I will take this 8 square to this side. You will have 10 square minus 8 square AX square. 10 square 100, 8 square 64, where you will have 36. 36 is 6 square, where it's equal to AX square. Then AX will be 6 centimeters. Right, here we go, 6. Now with this one, this OX line perpendicular and it's bisect this AB line. Therefore, I can write AX is equal, right, 2 times AX is equal AB. Therefore, 2 times AX is 6 centimeters is equal AB. Then AB will be 12 centimeters. That is the answer for the 19th question. Right, 20th question. Given that A is this matrix and B is equal to this matrix, find the AB, where AB is the multiple of these two. Therefore, AB is equal 1, 2, 0, 1 multiplied with 2, 0, 4, 6. Right, this is equal 1 times 2 plus then 2 times 0, then I have 1 times 0 plus next one 2 times 4, other one 0 times 2 should be multiplied with 1 times 0, 0 times 0 plus 1 times 4, where I can write here you will have answer as 2. If you simplify this one, you will have answer as 8. Here you will have 0. Here you will have 4. This is the answer for 20th question. 21st question, find the magnitude of EFC, this angle, using the information relevant to the triangle ABC in the figure. Right. When we see this triangle, this length and this length is equal, therefore ABE will be the midpoint, as well as this point to this point also equal, therefore in AC F will be the midpoint. Then this is midpoint theorem, where BC is parallel to this one. Right. Then it's nothing. If this is 30, this is 70, we want to find out this angle. So, right, where these three angles addition will be 180. Right, I can say 30 plus 70 plus ACB angle is 180, where this one is 100. Then ACB will be 80. Then this angle will be 80. This is F-shaped angle, right? Then this will be 80. Right, this is a straight line angle, then this one will be 100. If this is 70, this is F shape corresponding, this angle will be 70, as well as here this is a straight line angle, this will be 110. We found out everything. They are asking about this one, where EFC angle is 100. That is the answer for 21st question. Question number 22. The center of the circle in the figure lies on AC. Right. Then here the center, then AC will be diameter. Whatever they create here, this will be 90 degrees. Then find the magnitude of CBD. CBD, this angle. This angle, how much? Using the given information. Right, I can write ABC angle is 90. This is Y. Half circle angle on circumference. Now this same AD arc creating an angle here as well as angle here. Those two angles should be equal. Then I can write ABD angle is 25 degrees. Why? Same AD arc angle on circumference. Now with addition of this one and this one, you will have total this angle 90. Therefore I can write down ABD angle plus whatever the angle you want to find, CBD angle is equal to AB C angle. This one 25. This is the thing we want to find out. This one will be 90. Therefore, CBD angle is 90 minus 25. Finally, CBD angle is the value of 65. That is the answer for 22nd question. 23rd question. Find the volume of the triangular prism in the figure using the given information. Right. Cross-sectional area is constant throughout this prism, as well as this cross-section shape is right angle triangle. Therefore, volume I can write down cross-sectional area into length. Right. The length we know 7 centimeters. Cross-sectional area, it's a triangle, right angle triangle. Therefore, half into 6 into 5. Now 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 3 times 5, 15, 15 times 7, 105 unit, all measured with centimeters, therefore cubic centimeters. That is the answer for the 23rd question. 24th question. The first 12 data of 23 data that are written in ascending order is as follows. The numbers are there. Then write the median and the first quartile of 23 data. Right, I'll take this one as M, this one just Q. Right, data have 23. This is N, where N is 23. Both these things required N plus 1, where 23 plus 1 is 24. For median, N plus 1 divided by 2 score. N plus 1 is 24 divided by 2 is 12th one. Right, when we have only 12 first 12 data, therefore 12th one will be the median. Then 15 is for that. Then first quartile. First quartile, I can say N plus N score divided by 4, because quarter. N plus 1 is 24 divided by 4 means 6 score. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then first quartile will be 8. That is the answer for 24th question. Question number 25. In the figure, draw a sketch of the construction line required to find the point on AC that is equidistant from the point A and B, and indicate this point by naming D. Right, equidistance from point A and B. Then A here, B here. You want to bisect this line AB. Therefore, get the compass, put the steel point here, take more than half of the length of B, then you put 2 arc like this. then put the steel point here without changing the distance, then cut these two arcs. Where it cut, you connect to a ruler, then this will be perpendicular to this one, as well as this line will be the bisector of AB. Now this cutting point you need to mention as D. Right. That is the answer for 25th question. You can subscribe our YouTube channel to get more video like this. Until we meet again,